Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be doing some brown stew chicken for my dinner and white rice. Stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. Here are the seasoning. This is the soya sauce, garlic, the onion, and the pimento. What I'm gonna use it on the chicken. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. I'm gonna cut up there. Yes, guys. Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna cut up the onion now. Yeah, man. Cooking some nice brown stew chicken, huh? Don't know. Eat up the chicken. Show you guys how me cook my thing, you know. Brown stew chicken. Knife here sharp, see guys. Careful with me use it to cut me up. Be careful how I'm using it. I'm gonna put some in there now. And some in it almost finished cook. Just get a nice flavor. What? I get one lip? I get enough? For the 2 pieces of chicken, what? Long time not some Jamaican KFC, you know. Stripping the garlic, guys. Stripping the garlic. Put on the chicken, cook with garlic, you know, make it cook nice. I'm going for the thing. This thing here, the garlic in there, crush it up. Use a knife, you buy that. This thing here, crush it, guys, like a blender, but you don't use motor, use your hand and pull it. Pull the card and it turn inside. Crush, chop up your garlic. And make fashion. I'm gonna put potato. We say Irish. I don't know for Irish potato. I don't know where it originated from for Irish. But guys, you already. This is it. Crush nicely. Some on this. Cook it garlic and garlic. Make your food nice. Not even burn it, just eat. Great. This is the sauce, guys. I'm gonna put on this. Some powdered season. Garlic salt. Black pepper. Nice, you know. Want some all-purpose. Sorry. Excuse me. Come on, it's tough. Alright, guys, storing the season. Now, some other cut up, like blend up onion and all different type of seeds together. I'm gonna put some of this. I chop up regular onion. So I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna add it to it. There you go, guys. So I've been pepper, pimento, jerk season, nice now. Marinate it. There you go, guys. Wash your hands. You have to make sure you wash your hand very often. Alright, let that rest for a while, guys. While I prepare the next thing. Yes, guys, welcome back to the chicken. Cooking the brown stew chicken, guys. Nice, smelly and good. Some of the rest of seasoning here, put in there. And I'm gonna put a little bit more sauce, give it the color. Stay tuned, guys. Rock the boat, baby. It's nice. Guess what, guys? Simmer down time now. Put also tomato in there, the rest of onion. So it's simmer down time now, guys. Stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, it's coming now. So it looks nice. Nice, throwing down nicely, guys. It's throwing down nicely. Cover up the pot, let it stew down. Yes, guys, welcome back to the dinner. Here's the food, nicely. Turn it off now, it's ready. Turn off the stove. Pull it away from the heat, because it's a tabletop stove up here carry heat. Okay. Nice. Ready to eat. Nice and ready. Nice and ready, like ready. This is the rice over here. The rice in the pot. Steaming down.